Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing an honest review of Pictory AI in 2025, the popular AI video creation tool that promises to turn your scripts, articles, and ideas into full videos in minutes. But the big question is Pictory still worth the hype in 2025 or has it fallen behind newer AI tools? Let's find out. What is Pictory AI? Pictory AI is a cloud based video creator that uses AI to generate professional looking videos automatically. You can upload a script, paste a blog article, or even give it text prompts, and Pictory will turn that into scenes, stock footage, subtitles, and voiceovers. It's mainly used by YouTubers, coaches and educators, marketers, social media creators, businesses needing promo videos. In 2025, Pictory upgraded its engine, making the interface faster and the auto captioning more accurate. Key features in 2025. Here are the standout features this year. Script to video. Turn your script into a ready to export video with auto visuals, transitions, and voiceovers. Block to video. Paste a URL and it extracts key points instantly. AI voiceovers improved. The voices are more realistic now, with less robotic tone than older versions. Huge stock library, powered by premium footage sources, including images, clips, and background music. Auto subtitles plus caption editor. Very accurate and great for YouTube, TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Video summarizer. Turn long Zoom recordings or webinars into shorter highlight reels. Brand settings. You can save branded templates, fonts, and colors for consistent content. Pros of Pictory AI. Very easy to use. This is the main selling point. Even beginners with zero editing skills can produce a video. Fast video creation. Perfect for bulk content creators. Reliable editor. The interface has matured a lot in 2025. Fewer bugs and smoother timeline editing. Great for faceless YouTube channels. If you make list videos, tutorials, quotes, motivational reels, or summaries, Pictory works well. Auto caption equal big time saver. One of the best in the industry. Cons of Pictory AI. Not ideal for fully custom cinematic videos. It's great for social media content, but not for high end editing like Runway, Adobe Premiere, or DaVinci. Some AI voices still sound slightly robotic, improved but still not perfect. Stock footage can repeat. If you rely heavily on auto selection, you may see repeated clips. Pricing has increased in 2025. Still cheaper than hiring an editor, but the jump might bother some users. Is Picture AI still worth the hype in 2025? The honest answer, yes, but only for the right type of creator. Choose Pictory if you create faceless YouTube videos, need daily content, want quick promo videos, hate complicated editing tools, need fast captions and stock footage. Do not choose Pictory if you expect advanced special details and effects, deep video customization, high-end filmmaking tools, ultra-realistic AI avatars, or cinematic generation. Pictory shines as a simple, automated video creator, and it is still delivers that exceptionally well. Final verdict. So is Picture AI worth it in 2025? If you want speed, simplicity, and effortless video creation, 100% yes. It is still one of the most beginner-friendly AI video tools on the market. But if you want advanced editing or next level AI generation, you may want to look at alternatives like Runway, Descript, or Hagen. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and please drop your comments down below in the comments, and goodbye.